Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to navigate the Jamboard app. First, you need to open up the app on your device. I'm going to create a new jam. And once I am in a new frame of my jam, on the left side, I have a menu option. The first option is the pen menu. And in my pen menu, I can select different types of pens. I can use the handwriting recognition, which will detect what I'm typing or writing, and it will print it. I can also go into the shape recognition tool, which will do the same thing. It will detect what type of shape I am drawing and it will draw it. In addition, I can go to the auto draw tool, which will take a guess of what shape or image I drew, and it will give me an option on the bottom of what shapes I would like to add into my frame. The next option is the eraser tool. I can simply go in, click on the eraser, and erase whatever I would like off of my frame. The next option is the palette, the color palette, which will allow me to change the colors of my pen or even the outline of my shape. The next option is my Lasso tool, which will allow me to lasso or select an image and move it around on the screen, or I can simply drag it down to delete it. The next icon is the sticky note menu, which will allow me to add post-it notes to my frame. When I click on the circle on the bottom corner, it will allow me to select a different color for my note. Next, if I click on the plus sign, it will open up a secondary menu option. The Google Drive icon will insert any image or any file that I have in my Google Drive. The next icon is the internet icon, which will allow you to access the internet and search the web. I can simply go to different websites and I can look up information about content. The next icon is my image icon, which will allow me to search for images and insert them directly into my frame. The next icon is the emoji icon, which will allow you to provide feedback to students via the emojis. Or I can simply select an image at the bottom also and insert that into my frame as well. The next icon again is the sticky note icon, which will again show you to select post-it notes on your frame in your jam. And the last icon is the camera icon, which will allow you to use your webcam to take a picture or to insert an image from your device. I hope you found this screencast helpful.